bridge over the River Kwai. In fact, I don't think this one was actually built by prisoners of war. Even now, I don't even think this was actually built by the prisoners of war. I think they built another bridge on another river. So I think this is a bit phony. It's made famous in the film Bridge over the River Kwai, but it's not a bridge built by the Allied prisoners of war, apparently, if I read my facts correctly.
Guys, just look at this beauty. Railway a little bit scary. Look how pretty this place. Oh, this is very scary for me. I don't think I can do it all. It's on.
This is probably one of the scariest things that them prisoners had to do, is building this thing. Right on the edge of the cliff. Big drop down to the river. Nice resort now. That's the River Kwai Noi, the smaller of the two rivers. Look at the building work. Amazing. I hope a train don't come along. Floating rafts, very nice. More floating rafts. Nice resorts. Really shows you. Shaking now, I've got a bit of vertigo. I have to get across this thing, I tell you. Oh God, what am I doing? Man, I don't know how these people built that. I'm getting a bit of vertigo walking across that. Shaking. Jana coming along.
This is very scary railway. People walking on it. I just tried, but I couldn't do it. I'm afraid my gut's not strong enough. What it looks like. Alan just took my camera and walking on it. Let's go see what it's like. It's a big rock as well beside it. And River Kwai. Alright, and where I'm going next? How? Over there. Somebody walking on it. There's the people walking on it.
Yeah, just went over that cutting back there, and there's another one. I don't think I can go over this one. It's well high. Cut right through the rocks. So there's school kids over there. I think it's a laugh. There they come. They don't care. They're not scared. Look at the way they cut out these rocks. Mountains in the background. I guess Burma's probably over there. River takes a sharp turn here. This viaduct. Beautiful scenery, absolutely beautiful. Just started raining. This is the viaduct from underneath. Gives you an idea of the height of it. The timber's used. It's running alongside the river, which you can't see. But it's quite a structure. Definitely a feat of engineering when you consider it's 70 years old. And the conditions they had to work under. I couldn't walk back across it. My head started spinning. It's getting a bit of vertigo. So I'm taking the jungle path back. You know what? I'm just walking through here, through this little bit of overgrown pathway. It's raining, it's humid, it's muggy. I'm sweating, proper sweating here. And you think those blokes that built all of this was doing all that labour, weren't getting fed, most of them were ill and sick. You know, no wonder they was dropping like flies. It's just madness. It's the heat of the place, the humidity just sucks it right out of you. I'm struggling walking along this path. It's a bit overgrown, but God knows. God knows how they survived, but they never did, though. That's the fact of it. So that for game of soldiers. That's all inside.
Chiang War Cemetery, 1939 until 1945.
This was a work camp and it was a transit hub.
Yeah.
Hospital, operating theatre. So all the ones that come sick, this is where I used to bring them to try fix them up, but most of them died anyway. One of the main POW hospitals, Principal War Hospitals, which is this Chiang Kai. The whole idea behind it is where the sick used to come, but it didn't work, they just ended up dying there.
They so well look after it. Very clean, very tidy. Down Royal Engineers. Royal Engineers. Dutch. Royal Army Service Corps. Yeah, England. And they're so young. 28, 31. 31 again. 24. Very young person. Soldier. Yeah. Cemetery of War.